Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing in the most profitable way that nobody is talking about it on the internet. A lot of people talk about affiliate marketing is dead, you should do digital product, you should do e-commerce. But in this video, I'm going to show you the powerful technique to do affiliate marketing that will not burn your money. Plus, you will generate a great profit. So, hi guys, my name is Udit. I'm the founder and CEO of 7-figure marketing firm Udit Media LLC. And from the last 10 years, I have been doing affiliate marketing. I have been training people to do affiliate marketing. So if you're excited, let's go to the white screen and let me show you the strategy that you're going to love. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you what is an affiliate funnel. Okay, so a lot of people, what they do when they start their affiliate marketing journey, what they do, they just find a product on any platform. For example, we will take example of ClickBank or Digistore. Alright, so they will select any product from the Digistore. Most people who are smart, they will just create a landing page, simple landing page, just tell the information, and they will say watch the video, and they will go to affiliate page. Alright, affiliate page, and if sale will happen, they will make the profit. Okay, so I hope you understand what is affiliate marketing, right? You are the middleman between a consumer and between a vendor who have a product and you want to sell it to the ideal customer. All right, so for example, it's a diet program to lose XYZ or to build muscles, to build stamina, whatever. Okay, so now you can run ads to the people who are athlete or who wants to get fit, and you can send them to this affiliate page, and they will, if they will buy, you will make the sale. Okay, this is the basic concept of affiliate marketing. But if you want to make a consistent $300 a day, you need to build a system. I'm going to show you what system you need to build. All right, so for example, you have a product. This is the product, this is your product. We will name it athlete training. All right, training, and it's for $100. Okay, you can go on marketplace, you'll get a lot of product like this. So instead of just creating a simple looking landing page, what you will do, you will go to Etsy.com. all right, you will go to Etsy.com and you will find a digital product that is similar to this. So for example, if I'll show you the screen, you can see fitness product you can find over here. All right, you can select anything, you can just download, or you can just find ways. You can go to AI and create a digital product. All right, now instead of creating just a lead funnel, what do people do? Like the old way, what people used to do, they will create a landing page, watch the video, free video, something like that, and they will grab name and email, and then they will send it to affiliate page. But instead of doing this, you need to create a sales page where you will sell the digital product. Okay, so now it's going to be interesting. You will create a page, you will name it get access to this fitness program or fitness anything for $7. You need to keep it low ticket. All right, for $7, after they will purchase, then they will check out, and on the thank you page, you will have information about this product. Okay, here you can say as a bonus, watch this free video, watch. All right, watch the video. What they will do, once they will click on the watch, they will be redirecting to the affiliate page, and if they will purchase here, you will make the commission will come back to you. So now this is the kind of structure. I hope it makes sense. Now how you have to do it. So for example, You just have to focus on selling this digital product, $7 digital product that you have created. You can do meta ads. Hold on. To sell this product, you will do meta ads. All right. You will create different ad set. How to do? Let me show you. Different ad sets. Ad set 1, ad set 2, ad set 3. Run campaign. All right. Now, all this will have different targeting. Okay. This is for cold audience. This is also for cold audience. And this is for warm, whoever will be interacting with your ads. Warm. All right. If you want more detailed video about how to do this, how to run ads, of course I'm going to make more videos about that, so wait for that. So for example, this is how your structure will look. You will send cold traffic to this page, and for example you are spending around, let's suppose, $20 to $30 a day. All right, and you will make around 2 to 3 purchase per day. Let's suppose you are doing break even. The amount of money that you are spending, you will get that money back. So the amount of money that you are spending, you are getting that money back. Okay, so it's a break even. You can easily do that. All right, it's not a rocket science. So even that 2-3 people, if you scale it, you start generating 20 to hold on. Let's suppose you start generating 20 to 30 people. And this is very easy to scale in just 1 to 2 weeks. You can easily sell this to 5 to 6 people. All right, affiliate income, and it will give you, even if you get 70 to 80%, you will start making $300 to $200 every single day. All right. Plus, the best thing about this strategy is whatever amount you will be spending on ads, you will recover it with your digital product. So whatever leads you will get will be warm, will be highly qualified to purchase the program that you want to sell. So this is one of the powerful techniques that affiliate marketers use in 2026. So if you're excited, if you want to learn more about this kind of techniques, you can of course subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to share everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.